Achieving and sustaining operational excellence. Operational excellence is the pursuit of improved quality, efficiency, customer satisfaction, and streamlined internal workflows that focus on doing more with less. Operational excellence is often elusive, with multiple barriers getting in the way of organizations and teams seeking to do work better. Without a sustained focus on achieving excellence, organizations will be challenged to create value for the customer or improve company culture. So how should you go about committing your organization to ongoing improvement? It's all about creating a commitment to excellence across the enterprise and adopting a mindset that reaches and sustains excellence in operations. Here are 11 core principles for achieving operational excellence. Value everyone. Start by respecting all individuals, customers, colleagues, and partners. This fosters a culture where employees feel valued and customers feel appreciated. Lead humbly. Adopt a humble approach, reducing power dynamics and encouraging open communication and collaboration. This builds trust and a fear-free work environment. Aim for perfection. A commitment to perfection means looking for root causes, not just temporary fixes. It's about simplifying processes, reducing waste, and assuring quality at the source. Embrace scientific thinking. Use logic, facts, and data following the scientific method for an objective, fact-based approach to operations. Optimize processes. Focus on fine-tuning processes across the organization, breaking down silos, and evolving based on evidence. Commit to quality at the source. When processes are examined, it's essential to look at every component, every contingency, and every element. When looking at the various pieces of a process or workflow, the organization must commit to using the best possible resources, materials, and data to inform improvements. Respond to demand. Optimize business processes to efficiently meet direct consumer demand, ensuring resources are available. Think systematically. Consider the big picture, evaluating processes based on interdependencies and relationships to improve overall operations. Align with purpose. Engage employees with the organization's mission, vision, and values, ensuring clear communication and accountability. Create value for the customer. Understand and meet customers' needs, using insights to deepen engagement and sustain relationships. Leverage technology. Technologies can help drive the journey to excellence. Organizations can accelerate and simplify processes with tools such as AI, machine learning, and automation. The same solutions that can guide a process improvement initiative can also be used ongoing by organizations. Operational excellence is within reach through a committed, systematic approach, focusing on respect, quality, and efficiency. For support in automating and improving business processes, consider exploring solutions like Integrify that'll help accelerate the journey to excellence. Integrify, making you more productive.